In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Canva design to Wix the right way. First, open your project in Canva and give it a careful once-over. Check every piece of text for typos, make sure images are crisp, and confirm the layout looks exactly how you want it. Just as important, confirm your canvas size and orientation match where the design will live on Wix. Think about whether this will be a hero banner across the top of a page, a gallery tile, a background section, or another page element. Matching the dimensions now helps you avoid stretching or awkward cropping later. When everything looks perfect, it's time to export from Canva. Click Download or open the Share menu and choose Download. Pick the right file type for the job. Use PNG for logos or graphics that need transparency, JPG for photos where transparency isn't required, MP4 if you're exporting a video, and MP3 for audio. If your design has a transparent background, make sure the transparency option is turned on before you export, then adjust the quality and size to balance sharpness with performance. Smaller files load faster, which keeps your site feeling responsive. Finish by giving the file a clear, descriptive name and save it to your computer so it's easy to find. Next, head into your Wix editor and go to the page where the design should appear, like your homepage. Drag the exported file directly from your computer onto the Wix canvas. You'll see an upload indicator. Once it finishes, the file will appear right on the page, ready to place. Now position and resize the element. Click the image or video and drag it to the exact spot you want. Resize it by pulling from the corners to maintain proportions and avoid stretching. If you're adding audio, drop the audio player where it makes the most sense, such as on a podcast or audio focus page. You can usually fine-tune the player's position and size so it sits neatly within your layout. Before you go live, preview the page. Confirm the Canva design aligns with neighboring elements and that spacing and margins look clean. Switch to mobile view to make sure everything scales well on smaller screens. If you uploaded a large video or image, give it a moment to process. If performance feels sluggish, head back to Canva, export a lighter version, and replace the file with a quick drag and drop. When everything looks and loads the way you want, click Publish at the top right. Your Canva design is now live on your Wix website and behaves like any other media element. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.